Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. This week we are on Chapter 5 in the book. It's dealing with nutrition, and so we have a copy of the That Should Read Chapter 5 intro video here. Portion control is key to healthy eating. Another video I'd like you to watch, about 2.5 minutes. Our PowerPoint to assist you with the quiz. Your labs with My Labs Plus, and then of course your checklist. I can't emphasize that enough, just making sure that your bar is all the way full, so it shouldn't look like this. If you look at mine in Chapter 2, that's a problem. That means we're missing something. So make sure that you are filling that bar in green. Okay, just a couple objectives for this particular chapter. With Chapter 5 with nutrition, and we all know, well, I say we all know, and I think we all do, but specifically for some of us, nutrition and diet, that's my weakness. Like, I enjoy working out. I'm pretty healthy when it comes to that aspect. However, where I fall way short is with nutrition, in particular with portion control, but also I'm just a junk food junkie. Make very poor dietary decisions, and so it's nice to even review this information with you guys as your instructor, just to kind of serve as a reminder. Unfortunately, like everything else, while we can say knowledge is power, only if you act on it, though. And unfortunately, this is an area that I still don't act on as much as I should. We kind of go through stages and cycles with it. But enough about me. Real quick, a couple of learning outcomes for this particular chapter. You're going to learn about 6 classes of nutrients and their functions in your body. We're going to discuss the potential benefits and concerns related to the consumption of functional foods and dietary supplements. We'll demonstrate how to use the DRIs, MyPlate, and other resources to design a healthy diet so you can have better eating habits. This chapter also describes ways to reduce your risk for foodborne illnesses, manage food allergies and intolerances, and avoid environmental contaminants. And then the last objective for the chapter is to identify strategies for making nutritious and inexpensive. That's key, nutritious and inexpensive choices when shopping, cooking, and eating out. Alright guys, as always, I'm here for you if you have any questions on this chapter. Have a great week.